Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and it's been 10 days of successfully completing 100 days of NoFap, and I can tell you with full certainty that I'm not the same person which I was 100 days ago. I feel transformed in all the areas of my life: spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, all the areas. And I can also tell you that NoFap alone cannot transform your life. You have to do other things as well. So in today's video, we are going to talk about everything in detail. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos, then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me, then I have given my Instagram ID in the description below. So you can just message me there. Now let's start this video. First, let me give you an overview of how difficult this journey was for me. So I will not say that NoFap is easy or difficult for me, because on some days it is difficult, on other days it is very difficult, but on some days it is very easy. I don't even think about these things. And on few days you will be confused. One moment you will feel like doing these things, and suddenly you will not feel like doing these things. So I will not say that NoFap is easy or difficult, because it changes every day. But the thing that is important is you should stick to your vision. You should always know what you want in your life. Do you want to simply waste your life in doing these things, or you want to live a very powerful and energetic life? There is nothing wrong in indulging in sexual activities once in a while, but making it the center point of your life is wrong. So this is what you should focus on. You should always know what you want in your life, your ultimate goal, the person that you want to be, the kind of life that you want to live. Now, since I started practicing NoFap, over the time I realized that this thing alone cannot transform your life. So I included few things in my everyday life. I made these few things a part of my everyday life. And if you are also on your NoFap journey, then you can also include these things in your everyday life. It will definitely boost your growth. So let me tell you in brief about these things. Now, the first thing is reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Now, you can read any good book of your choice, but I would still recommend this book over all the other books. This is a must read for everyone. I have given the Amazon link of this book in the description below, so you can buy it from there. So this is the first thing that I included in my daily routine. Now, the second thing that I included in my routine is exercise. 20 to 30 minutes of exercise will spike your energy every day. Now, everyone should exercise, but if you are practicing NoFap, then exercise becomes a must thing to do for you. Now, the third thing that I included in my daily routine is meditation. Now, you can either meditate if you like doing meditation, but if you don't like doing meditation, then you can simply do some prayers. You can pray to God. Just 5 to 10 minutes of prayers will do good for you. So, this is the third thing. Now, the fourth and the final thing that I included in my daily routine is writing. I write 2 to 3 pages every day. Now you can write about anything, your dreams, your goals, the kind of life that you want to live, or you can simply write about how you spend your whole day. What writing will do is it will make you realize every day how you are spending your whole day, how you are living your life, in which direction you are moving. So these were the few things that I included in my daily routine since I started practicing NoFap, and you should also make these things a part of your everyday life. Now, apart from all these things, I have received many benefits because of practicing NoFap. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you just one most important benefit that I received. I will make a separate video in which I will cover all the benefits that I have received till now. But now I'm going to tell you just one, the most important benefit in my opinion. And it is a clear and peaceful mind. Yes, if you will do all the things that I have told you in this video, then you will have a very clear and peaceful mind. Because in the end, we all want to be peaceful, relaxed, and happy. And you can have all these things if you will do all the things that I have told you in this video. So this is all for this video. I will soon post a video in which I will tell you all the benefits that I have received because of practicing NoFap. For that, you can subscribe my channel. Now, if you have any question or any doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want to support me, then you can join this channel and become a member. Or you can also support me on Google Pay, Paytm, or through UPI ID. You will get the details in the description below and also in the end of this video. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.